Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play Young, Dumb, and Broke by Khalid on ukulele. This song is super easy to play because there's only 4 chords and none of them are bar chords, so let's get right into those. The first chord is going to be F major. The next chord is going to be D minor. Then we have a C chord. And last we have an A minor. So now that we have that down, we can go into progressions and strumming patterns. The progression for all of the song except the bridge is F, D minor, C. I'm first going to go through that with single down strums because that is the first strumming pattern that I recommend. You're going to strum the F chord twice, the D minor once, and the C once. So it would sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. Then you would just keep repeating that for pretty much the whole song if you're wanting to use single down strums. The next strumming pattern that I recommend is gonna be down, up, mute, mute, up. How you do those muted strums is you rest the side of your palm on the strings as you strum down, so it's not going to make the sound of the chord. You're going to go through that strumming pattern 4 times on the F chord, twice on the D minor, and twice on the C. It'll sound like this. Down, up, mute, mute up, down, up, mute, mute up, down, up, mute, mute up, down, up, mute, mute up. Go to your D minor, down, up, mute, mute up, down, up, mute, mute up, down, up, mute, mute up. So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give. Then for the chorus, you're going to continue to do the progression of F, D minor, C. You can also use the same strumming pattern, however, I'm going to show you a different one. This one is going to be down, mute, up, up, down, 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 up. So going through that with the progression. Down, mute, up, down, 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 up, down, mute, up, down, 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 up, down, mute, up, down, 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 up, down, mute, up, down, 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 up. While we're young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, broke high school kids, ya ta ta da 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 da, ya ta ta da 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 da, ya ta ta da 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 da, young, dumb, broke high school kids. Then verse 2 is going to be the same thing that you did for verse 1, so I'll go ahead and use the strumming pattern of down, mute, up, down, 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 up, so you can also see how that one works in the verses. We have so much in common, we argue all the time. You always say I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure I'm right. What's fun about commitment when we have a life to live? Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, broke high school kids. While we're young, dumb, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, broke high school kids. Ya ta ta da 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 da, ya ta ta da da. And then you'll just keep repeating it like you did before. The progression for the bridge is going to be D minor, A minor, and you can use either of the strumming patterns that we went over before. So I'll go ahead and do down, up, mute, mute, up. Jump and we think, leave it all in the game of love. Run into the sin, do it all in the name of fun. I'm so high at the moment, and then you'll keep going with the chorus again. And that is the entire song. So you have your F, D minor, C, which makes up the majority of the song, and then your D minor, A minor for the bridge. You can use the strumming patterns that I showed you in this video, or you can make up your own. Find something that fits your style best. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye!